Before we began our Mykonos adventure, let me share how our journey started in Santorini. Our tour operator Viking Navita had everything perfectly arranged for us. They scheduled our transfer for 8:45 am and we were picked up from our Santorini hotel and taken directly to the port, where we would embark on the ferry heading to Mykonos. We reached the port pretty early, which meant a lot of waiting before the ferry finally arrived. The ferry ride from Santorini to Mykonos usually takes between 2 and 3.5 hours, depending on the ferry type. Our ferry Champion Jet 2 was quite crowded this day. And it took us about 3 hours to reach Mykonos Island. We reached Mykonos at around 1 pm and everything was super smooth. At the port, our driver was already waiting with a sign that said Aegean Hotel. Once we got into the car, the driver started sharing some useful information with us as we drove towards the
hotel.
To
the bus really quick. We go out really quick, so we'll be ahead of the traffic. Sometimes when ferries are coming, there are lots of vehicles coming out. It gets a little bit busy on our way to the hotel, but we're ahead of traffic. Not a problem at all. The hotel is only 3 kilometers from here, from the new port. Now we need about 7 to 8 minutes. Later, when it's busy, maybe 15 to 20. Depends. We are also very near to Mykonos Town. The city center, just 1 kilometer distance from the hotel to the city center. If it's not a problem for you to walk, generally walking distance takes about 10 to 15 minutes to walk from the hotel to Mykonos Town. And because the hotel is up on the hill, it's very easy. It's downhill to go to the center, but it's steep uphill on your way back. You need maybe 20 to 25 minutes to walk up the hill. If you are not in the mood to walk back, you can take a taxi. There are 2 different taxi stations in Mykonos Town, and the taxi costs around 10 to 15 euros for your way back.
Not per person.
Sorry?
10 to 15 euros per person.
Not per person, for the ride.
For the ride.
Most of the local taxis are normal cars for 4 persons. And it's fixed price pretty much. Maybe normally it's about 10 to 12 euros. If it's too late at night, maybe they will ask you for 15. These are the prices. But this time of the season, it's not a problem at all to find a taxi. There are only 33 taxis in the whole island. But now, because we're at the very beginning of the season, it's not a problem at all usually to find a taxi. It's very easy. So here we are. Welcome to Aegean Resort.
Thank you. Now we have reached our hotel. After completing all the formalities at the reception of Aegean Hotel, we were warmly escorted to view our rooms. 2 different options were shown to us and we were asked to choose one.
After, we're going to see another room on the sunset wing, which is like a small apartment that we have on the sunset. Seeing the sunset. The second room, but for you it's gonna be the same price what you have already. This is the daylight here. Next to each pool we have 2 jacuzzis if you want to use, and we'll stop right here.
After looking at both, we finally selected the last one, which felt perfect for us. Let me give you a glimpse of our room. By the time everything was settled, it was already past lunchtime, so we quickly freshened up and headed straight to the restaurant. After lunch, we decided to spend our very first afternoon in Mykonos relaxing by the pool area of Mykonos Hotel. Although the sky was covered with clouds and the sunset stayed hidden, the calm and peaceful atmosphere made the moment truly relaxing. The next morning, we woke up, explored the hotel premises for a while, and truly enjoyed the peaceful surroundings, and then made our way to breakfast. One really great thing about this Mykonos hotel was that the buggy service was available at all times. Since the restaurant was a bit away, this service was extremely convenient for us. Now we are going to explore Mykonos Town. This is also known as Chora, which is the heart and soul of this island. The moment we stepped in, we were surrounded by charming whitewashed houses, colorful doors, and narrow winding streets that feel like a beautiful maze. Every corner looks picture perfect with cozy cafes, stylish boutiques, and little art shops tucked in between. As we walked along the waterfront, the view of the blue Aegean Sea added the magical touch. We simply enjoyed the island's unique charm. As we continued exploring Mykonos Town, the day slowly moved on and it was nearly lunchtime. We also visited the iconic Mykonos windmills. From there, the view of the sea, the waves crashing below, and the town spread across the hillside was absolutely breathtaking. By this time, we decided to head to Paradise Beach. To get to Paradise Beach, we took a bus, and the bus service here is very well organized, making it easy for travelers to move around this island. Paradise Beach is one of the most famous beaches in Mykonos. Paradise Beach perfectly captures the lively spirit of Mykonos. Clear blue water, music in the air, and an atmosphere that instantly lifts your mood. We relaxed under the sun, walked along the shore, and dipped into the refreshing turquoise water. It's one of those beaches where time feels slow and calm. After spending some time at the beach, we felt hungry and were pleasantly surprised to find an Indian restaurant right beside the Paradise Beach. It felt comforting to enjoy Indian flavors in the middle of the Mykonos. The lunch was warm, delicious, and made us feel at home even while being far away. The mesmerizing view of Paradise Beach from our restaurant completely captivated us. Once we were done with lunch, we reached the bus stand ahead of time, so we treated ourselves to some ice cream while waiting for the bus. By the afternoon, we returned to the hotel, and for the rest of the day, we simply relaxed there. One of the highlights of our stay was the mesmerizing sunset at Aegean Resort. As the sun softened and the sky changed colors, the whole atmosphere became dreamlike. We sat by the pool, capturing the views, breathing in the fresh air, and simply appreciating how peaceful everything felt. Tonight we were in the mood to have dinner outside our hotel. So as evening slowly set in, we stepped out together and began searching for a good restaurant nearby. After walking a short distance along the road in front of our hotel, we came across an Indian restaurant, and of course we couldn't resist. Here we happened to meet another group of Indians as well. And just like that, the whole day came to an end. It was time to head back to our hotel room. Before going in, we spent some quiet moments by the pool area in front of our room, and after that, we called it a night and went to sleep. Our 2 nights in Mykonos were short but filled with beautiful moments. From the charm of Mykonos Town to the liveliness of Paradise Beach, the comfort of Aegean Resort, the ferry journey across the Aegean Sea, and the golden sunsets, every part of this trip felt magical. Today is Sunday, the 27th of April. Around 12:15 pm we will leave from our hotel reception and head towards Mykonos port. We will then board the Champion Jet 2 ferry and proceed to Piraeus port of Athens. This will be our last destination in Greece, and after that we will be heading back home to India. If you are planning a trip to Greece, I highly recommend adding Mykonos to your list. It's a perfect blend of beauty, adventure, relaxation and unforgettable island charm. Thank you so much for joining me on this Mykonos journey. I hope this vlog helps you feel the beauty of the island just the way we did. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more travel adventures. I will see you soon in the next video. Until then, take care and keep exploring.